Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, I will show you how to create a website chatbot in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, log in into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in successfully, click on create your first bot. Next, choose the platform where you want to deploy your chatbot. In this case, we will select website. After that, select the purpose of your chatbot. For example, if your goal is lead generation, simply choose lead generation option. As soon as you will select it, BotPenguin will automatically create the chat flow for you. This is the flow that is fully customizable. So if you want to edit or make any changes to this flow, you can easily do that. And once you are done with the customization, we will move ahead to install this chatbot over your website. So I will simply go to this and make this as default. I can also turn this revisit also. So go to install your chatbot section and select custom build, and here you will get a script code. You can simply copy the script code and paste it in your website's body. For demonstration purpose, I will be using W3 schools for now. I will simply copy the script code and paste it here and click on run. You can see the chatbot has been installed successfully. As per our configuration, it is working fine. So whatever flow that we have configured in the platform, it is coming up here. So this is how you can create the chat flow, and that's it. You have created and installed your chatbot successfully in just few minutes. If you have any questions or any queries, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com, and we will surely help you with the queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day.